So super windy, I'll keep this quick. Here's the mud volcanoes. Azerbaijan has over half the world's mud volcanoes. It's basically because they've got these continents whacking into each other. Of course, that creates friction and heat and all that stuff. And therefore you get volcanoes, which you can see around me, this volcanic activity. And the gases build up from that as the hydrocarbons sort of get hotter. They turn from oil into gas and they then bubble up to the surface a bit like a burp. And it's the earth burping and it's down here. They've built this incredible complex here just a few years ago. Look at the size of it. And hardly anybody is here, and that's because of the corruption. And I've just seen another dose of it this morning, and it's really pissing me off. So I'm going to do a post on that right away and show you what I'm doing across the world to try to stamp out this bloody corruption that's happening in these countries. Anyway, the mud volcanoes. So there's a place you can go to which has got more mud volcanoes. But this is the official one. I would normally go there as a geologist, but because of the corruption and the crap that I've seen this morning, I am not going to do that. Stay tuned for the next post. It might get me in trouble.